Hi there, welcome to Be Online. Before we begin, please download the latest firmware file from the email we sent you. You'll need this file later. Enter the device's IP address into your browser. On the login screen, enter the default username and password shared with you via email. Then, click Login. Once logged in, you can see your current firmware version under System Info. From here, click the navigation button at the top right of the screen. Select Maintenance, and then Firmware Upgrade. Under Upgrade Firmware, tick the box that says Restore Default Settings after firmware upgrade. Next, click Choose File. From the pop-up, choose the firmware file that you downloaded. Click Upload. This will automatically log you out of the interface and restore the device's default settings. Once all the lights on the router are back on, log into the web interface again. Log in using the same details as before. Confirm under System Info that your firmware has been updated,